Yo, what's up people, welcome back. And in this video I'll show you how to download GTA San Andreas in mobile for absolutely free in just 4 steps. It's really simple guys, just follow what I do. It's very easy. There is no zipping issue, no going to File Explorer and fixing something, just you should download and install. So don't skip even a single part because there is a slight twist. See, for installing GTA San Andreas, you just need an application called Happy Mod. If you don't know what is Happy Mod, in simple words, it's a kind of a play store where you get everything for free. It's a really big game, so I'll tell you the right way how to download this. So let's get started. So first download Happy Mod. Just go to Chrome and type download Happy Mod from uptodown.com and follow the steps. And there's some important thing which I like to tell you guys. See, games and apps like 100 MB, 500 MB or even 1 GB can be downloaded directly, but games like San Andreas and GTA Vice City require some steps which I am here to show you, because many of you guys didn't know how to download that and many of you were asking me to explain that. So just download the Happy Mod and open it. Don't worry, this works for everyone, 100% working, no clickbait. Until then, if you haven't even subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So open the app, just type GTA. See, downloading Vice City is not a problem now. You can download it easily directly, there are no steps for that. So coming back to San Andreas, first open the app, go to original and download the 9 MB APK. That's 9, no sorry, it's 15 MB APK. Okay, first download this is the main step. As you can see, this is original, not the mod one. And don't download the mod, I'll tell you about the cheats. Just download the original one. It's 15 MB, it will take about 15 to 20 seconds, don't worry about that. This is the twist guys, just wait. See, once it's downloaded, just install it. Don't open the app. See, many of you will complain about getting this issue. Wait 1 second, it will get installed. Don't open it, just click done. Okay, now press the mod option and click install. This, as you can see, this is 1.7 GB. See, this you should download. There are many options like 400 MB, 500 MB. No, you should download the 1.7 GB itself, the first mod itself. And this is not the mod. Since you have downloaded the original app will extract the mod applications. So you have to just download it. Everything will happen on itself. Just watch the video, you'll understand. As you can see, it's downloading. I'll skip the downloading part and show you. See, it's not at all complicated. Just install the original APK, then download the mod file and install the APK, the 15 MB one, but do not open it. Once the mod application is downloaded, don't worry about this notification, let that happen. Okay, but if you download the application from Chrome, you will face a problem. Which problem I'll show you. Open the San Andreas which you have downloaded just now. See, you will get this kind of problem, and trust me, this won't download. That's why you have to install the mod application. It will extract. You don't have to do anything, it will automatically extract. So slide, remember to slide that one. Alright, so I'll just skip the downloading part. You can also skip if you want. See, this has almost got downloaded. Don't skip this part, this is the most important part. This will work 100% guys. Don't think it won't work. Just try once and come back to my video and like. If it doesn't work, comment dislike. It will extract. See, it's downloaded completely. Wait for 2-3 seconds. See, this is the important step. This won't happen automatically if you don't install the original APK. This is the twist. See, it's getting extracted, right? This is the main part. So after the extraction, when you open the game, the downloading part won't show. It's that simple, guys. That's the only twist. It's very easy. Skip the extraction part if you want. Wait, there's another step. Main step you need to do. Don't worry about it, okay? See, you don't have to zip anything, file, nothing. Just download and install. In other videos, it was really hard because going to Chrome, downloading the app, then zipping the file, it was really hard. So this is the simple way. You don't have to do anything, all your work is done. Just open the app and play. That's it. Install the mod. It won't get installed, don't worry, the job has been done. After a long time, this has been downloaded and extracted. Now install it. Don't worry, it won't get installed, but it has been extracted. Don't worry, it has been installed. I'll open and show it to you. Open the app. Not not this one. San Andreas. Before that, check out my previous videos. I have done many hacking videos of Imposter, Among Us, sorry. Then hacking Las Gangster Vegas. It's really hard to hack that. I've done that. Just check that out. And downloading web series for free. And hacking Clash of Clans. That's it. Now getting back to the game. This is the game. Just press offline or you can sign up. Start the game and enjoy, guys. That's it. Just try this, it will work.
After 5.
See, guys, this is the first mission. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and also share this video, guys. Many of the people are trying to download this, but they are not able to download it, so help others also. Enjoy the gameplay. Until then, goodbye.
I'm going to quit tomorrow.
Man, what is this shit? You touching me?
Bro, big mama suck my dick.
Look out! My car! Driving lessons, buddy!
This the
Why are you
best you got?
disrespecting me? Oi, oi.
You got that hungry look.
Come on, go someplace else.
I'll blow you.